Hi Divas, it's Coach Twy. I am the founder of Fit, Fine, and Fabulous. My full name is Nicole Twyman, and I'm just really excited. I'm always really excited at the start of a 30-day challenge, but this one's special because it's the beginning of a new year, it's the beginning of a new decade, and I have gained weight again to show you guys how to lose it, how to lose it in a healthy way without starving yourselves or drinking smoothies and all of that. So I'll be taking you on my very own journey of losing this flab, being very, very transparent with you. So if you have any questions about what I'm eating or how I'm exercising or how I'm losing the weight, how I'm not losing the weight, hopefully I will, just let me know. So I'm super excited about this challenge. There are close to 60 women who are challenging with us, and that's just a blessing to see so many of us together. I have watched your videos and I've read your posts introducing yourselves, and we have women as far away as the Netherlands, can you believe that? And as close to me as around the corner here in California. And of course we have women all across the US who are in this challenge, and we are here to encourage one another to do better, encourage one another to just start again and to let go of whatever that history is that you have with your body image or with weight or whatever. Just let it go, and we're going to start again. We're going to give ourselves grace to make mistakes, because I have, and we will continue to do that. But the key is to just keep going and keep trying. It's funny because as I'm recording this video, I'm looking at myself in the camera. My face is so chubby and my arms are all chubby, and honey, this belly is serious. But that motivates me. Doesn't make me sad or angry or anything like that. It motivates me to get going and get started. So today, this week is my first full week giving it all I have to get back on track, and I'm gonna drag my divas along with us. So together we're gonna do this. And how it works is the very first week of a challenge, we don't meal prep. Right? The problem is a lot of us just jump in and just start meal prepping and eating. Okay, wait, hold up. Let's first plan this thing out. Let's first think about why we're doing this. Let's first think about our goals. Let's first think about how we're going to do this and what tools are we going to use, and do we have them all in place? We're going to really run ourselves like we are a business. Like I love to say, I think it was management leader, Mr. Drucker, he says all the time, you cannot manage what you don't measure. So we're going to measure not just our bodies, but we're going to measure how often we're drinking water, how many hours of sleep are we doing, and how's our mood feeling, and how are we eating, and what are we eating. We're going to measure all these things, and we're going to create these data points that are going to allow us to analyze ourselves. This is what managers do at corporations or even at universities and academia. They measure a certain data point and then they tweak it and make changes. So if at the end of the first week you don't get what you want, guess what? You don't quit, right? You change one of the inputs, or you change a meal, or you change how often you eat, or you change how often you work out, and then you try again. You keep going until you unlock your rhythm. Everybody's body is different. So with Fit, Fine, and Fabulous, what we do is we give you a template on where to start. And it's a great template because it works for everybody. There has not been one diva who has tried our program and given it all she had and did not get the success that she wanted. So again, welcome to our first week of challenges. I'm loving the videos. Keep them coming. If you haven't posted an introductory video, please do so. If you haven't posted an introductory picture with written introduction, please do so, because it's so important that we get to know each other. That is what makes our challenges different. We care about you. We're not just selling a meal prep challenge. We really want to get to know you. We really want to understand if you have PCOS or endometriosis, or if you have anemia, or if you have any other issues that will impact your journey. And then we want to offer suggestions tailored to you and tailored to your solution. So thank you so much for joining us. And I'm just so excited for what's to come for the next 30 days. So honey, get ready. Get ready, we don't play, okay? So join the app. You should have already done that. Make sure your app is downloaded. Make sure you join the challenge on the app. Make sure that you've watched the videos. They're only 1 minute long, so watch those so that you can understand. And don't wait. Don't wait until you need to do it. Make yourself a priority. Put yourself first on your to-do list at the top of the day. Make sure that you're getting these things done so that when we do execute, that we are ready to go. So this week is all about planning. Next week, we're getting it in. It's execution time. But for now, let's take the time to get to know each other, to relearn our bodies, to really just reflect on why we're doing this and have that documented out. We're also going to be creating visions together. We're going to have a little vision workshop together. So I'm just super excited about this challenge, you guys. So it's day 1. I'm going to chill out. I'm going to end the video here. So if you have any questions for me, just tag me. And I am excited to work with all of you, all 60 of you. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll chat again soon.